Today I'm going to show you a craft using dried leaves. So these are dried plantain leaves which I have collected, and I have taken small pieces of the leaf, dried leaves. You can see this. So to make the flowers using this dried leaves, first thing what you have to do is you have to take a vessel with some water and you have to soak this dried leaves in water. I am telling you to soak this dried leaves in water because this dried leaves, if we are trying to fold it, it will tear easily. So if you soak this leaves in water for few minutes, it will not tear. Let's see. Like this, you can soak the leaves in water for at least 5 minutes. After soaking in water, you can see it has become so soft. So if you fold this also, no problem, it won't get teared off. So let's see how we can make flowers with this dried leaves. So you have to cut these leaves lengthwise like this. You can take in any desired length you want and width also. Again, cut this into half. You can see here that I have cut all the remaining leaves into this rectangle shape like this. So let's see how you can make flowers with these pieces of leaf. So first what you have to do is take the leaf, fold it like this. So now you can see after soaking in water it has become too soft and it's easy for you to make the flower. So you have to fold the leaf like this, and next you have to take a copper wire to tie the petal onto this. Next, fold the copper wire like this and keep it here and just twist the leaf onto this copper wire like this. Now take a thread and tie this onto the wire. Same way, take another petal, fold like this, then keep it, then twist like this. Our flowers are ready. Next step is we have to paint them. So before painting you have to make sure that these leaves are completely dried because we have already soaked them in water. Let's paint the flower now. I am using red acrylic color here for painting the flowers. Now you can see that your flowers are ready. I have made two colored flowers. This is red and this is dark violet color. So let's see how you can arrange these flowers in a container. For arranging the flowers, I am using a small container like this. And I am also using a piece of oasis. These if you use oasis, it would be easy for you to arrange the flowers. This is an item which I have made using pistachio. That is, usually after eating the pistachio we will throw off the shell. So what I have done is I have taken 2 shells on the edges, put some glue, keep a stick in the middle and just fix them together. So you will get a nice decorative piece like this. So in this arrangement I am going to use these decorative pieces also. Our flowers are ready now, but you can see this oasis through this vessel which I have kept. So to cover this oasis I am using few colored pebbles. So these type of pebbles I am using for covering the oasis.